हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हेलो गाइस, हेलो मेरे प्यारे मित्रों, हेलो मॉम एंड डैड, हेलो माय पास्ट फ्रेंड्स एंड हेलो my loved ones and hello my dislike ones. Today is day 38 and I'm just talking in English. Why? There is a little bit change in my scriptic part. That was I'm not write all those things. I am just write my pointers, write pointers in my copy and just go with the flow and tell about that topics. There is a there is a certain change I do when I was recording this. For this day, I find out that there are so many things happen in my life, but I just pick some three topics to talk about of this day. First of all, tomorrow I buy a Netflix subscription, and due to this, I am just want to talk about Netflix and also what I'm watching right now. Okay. So first of all, why I'm buying this Netflix subscription, because I want to learn and talk as good as fast by watching other creators in YouTube or Instagram. And the best way to learn English by talk in English and walk in English and talk in English to everyone by watching movies. It was easy way to express your thoughts and learn English easily. So first of all, I am watching Unreal. I like WWE. Okay, you can judge me. It was fake. Why have you watched all those things? But I was really interested in WWE related thing, how the storytelling work, how the behind the scene work, how they create all those shocking moments and many other things and promos cut and many other storyline related things, why they giving this person chance and so on. I really like watching this type of content about behind the scene, what is the secret behind WWE, and that's why I'm watching season 2. I already completed season 1, and right now I'm watching season 2 of Unreal of WWE. And second thing I was watching right now is Single Inferno. I was already completed in my past all the seasons. Okay, Single Inferno. Why I'm watching this? Because in my life, first of all, you know that when you can't find something in your life, you actually care more about that thing because you don't find out easily in your life. When you don't get love, or you don't get money, don't have kids, or you don't get something easily, you care about that thing more and more. Likewise, in my life, I don't get love easily. That's why I care more about love related thing. That's why due to this I was watching Single Inferno. Single Inferno is all about relationship. And why I'm watching this? Because learn so many things about relationship. How looks matter, how personality matters, how talks matter, how you act matter. I learn so many things. First impression is important. I can understand that thing. Every person carry a certain personality. Even how you look matters in starting period of time, but after some times later you realize that okay, this person look like a baby face. Like me, I look like a baby face or a chill guy, just want to chill in his life. But when you come to me and talk to me, okay, he was knowledgeable also. He have so many knowledge and so many different type of topics, and he talk a lot. I'm not and a he like deep discussion. He is straightforward. I talk everything straightly, and I'm little bit mysterious, or you don't know me totally because I am hide so many things in my life. Okay, I'm watching season 5 of Single Inferno, and that's all. Second topic is why I created this channel. There is a story behind it. Hope I wanted to share it or not, but I really want to share it. I don't created this channel for that person. Okay, there is a sudden noise coming from outside, but I just want to share that from first moment of time I was facing so much problems, and people are not understanding me, and I have a mysterious aura. I do so many things. People are misunderstand me and create so much opinion about me due to my own acts. Okay. My personality was that type of thing. It create mystery around people. That's why one day in my college life, I like a girl, and due to my boundaries, I don't want to talk to her. Due to this, he don't know me actually fully. He know me because I have something different in his mind due to my mysterious nature, and some so many things happen. And I find out that okay, this the whole the presence he was creating was fake about me. And if you don't know something about anything, that create fear inside your mind. That's why I think I wanted to express myself. I'm not a open up guy, okay, easily. But the problem was really high due to my boundaries and so many things. That's why I create this channel, Our Journey. Our Journey, that means those who people actually want to connect with me in reality. This is the channel for them. Back to the story. The whole video, every video I make that tells about me. This is who I am actually. I'm not creating this thing from the starting to get views. Okay, I created this thing for those who actually wanted to know me. I created this video, whole video, to express who I am actually, and that's why I created this channel to express who actually I am. Because when I create reels or some kind of content, people will portray me some different kind of lens or in one particular thing. Just say, for example, if you watch a person of creating certain kind of content like roast, you can think that he always do fun. He had no other thing. matlab, You can understand. And if someone create technology kind of thing, you can portray or something. Okay, if you kind of a religious thing, you portray something. Okay, he follow this kind of thing. If you think about one profession, you can portray this kind of thing. But actually, I find out that this is not who I am actually. That other people was portraying me who I am. That's why the clear motive of this channel is I want to express actually who I am, what I think I am, not due to my profession or some kind of things people will portray me who I am. Okay, third topic, jealousy. I'm just watching Single Inferno, and it's create jealousy. Like one person likes one person and he go to some another person. It's create jealousy. Why he go to another person? Why it creates jealousy? But I for me jealousy is a bad thing. If somebody want to go and you create jealousy, you need control. You wanted to control her because of this. He can't want to live his own life. He was living your life because of your own control. You don't feel heard when I go, but he wanted to go. That's my problem if I am jealous. That's my own fear to lose you. That's my problem, not your. Due to my own fears, if you stop and hiding you or something, then you can't live your own life. That's why for me, jealousy is a bad thing. Jealousy is a bad thing because it's create control. It's create expectation. Due to that expectation, the other person want to do something, but he stopped. Why? Because of jealousy. He don't feel safe. He don't feel good. If I go to another person, he was not feel good. Not because of you. You want to go, but you want to stop because of some other person. You are not a free bird, bro. You are stopped because of other. There is not problem with you. You actually want to go, but there is problem in another person. Bonus point. I just go to play cricket. with my friend Satyam, and I was so hoping that people want me. I was going from so many days, people wanted to talk to me, and so on, so on, so on. But validation seeker, okay, I am a validation seeker. I had certain expectation from people's. They really want to talk to me and they really want to give me opportunity because I am coming from so matlab, after a lot of days I am sick. Due to this, I am not going to play cricket. But actually, my expectation was wrong. They actually don't care. My validation from people was they actually care for me. They actually want me. They actually love me. When I came to ground, my whole expectation was wrong. It's create hurt. But I can understand that every person was busy in their own life. They don't need others to fulfill them. Actually, for me, uh, why I'm telling validation? Because I seek validation. Oh, I go na in this place. They want to talk to me. What happened, Rahul? Why are not you are coming? What was doing? And I feel good by thinking about all those things. Okay, you know na Rahul, you are not feeling well. That's why you are not coming. That's your reality. Why you wanted to tell to express to people who want to understand your problems and each and everything? Those who actually love you now, who actually love you, even if you have so many flaws. If somebody want to hate you, they find out so many problems in you, even in your best thing. They find so many dislike things, even in your wrong thing also, in your like best thing also. If somebody loves you, no, they actually loves your bad thing also. Don't seek validation. This is actually who you are actually. So this is for today, guys. I just want to a unique thing, okay? Everyone was telling guys, but I wanted to tell you something meaningful. Due to this, you people know me better. And this is for today. See you again. Because it's been a long way. Mm-hmm. I can tell you all my secrets when you see you again. See you again. There is more secrets. That's why you will come. That's why you will come. If you like my videos, see you again. See you again. If you dislike my if you dislike my videos, see you again. But not see you again actually. If you dislike my videos, bye 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 bye. Don't come to my video. Don't come to bring hate for you and me. Bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye. If you dislike me, it was not healthy for you to watch my videos. इसलिए bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye. And if you like me, see you again. So first, watch my whole videos. This is who I am. And think about it. I just wanted to, if someone was watching, focus on your life. If you watch my videos, if somebody's liking me or watching my content, if you feel safe, peace, then you can watch my videos. If you don't feel peace or some other feelings, even you like me, don't watch my videos. Focus on your life because my life was different, your life was different. I know I can handle my problems. I know that. Focus on your life. That's actually matter. Okay. See you again. See you again. See you again.